Okay, so you can see I finished up the 1977 16.6. So last time you saw it, didn't have a hood on it yet, didn't have decals on it, but it's all done now. So this is how it starts. Pull this out, rev it up a little bit, pull choke. So the side covers, I didn't end up painting them because I forgot about them. Never wear wheeled them or nothing. I completely forgot. So they're just kind of on there for now. Eventually they will get painted, but it's just whatever for now. And I don't have a grill corner, so that's why there's not one on it. Not trying to make this one perfect, so I just kind of whatever. So don't look at that side, I guess. But this side, it actually turned out pretty decent. Tires are a little dirty, ignore that. So yeah, underneath the hood, I did get an air filter put on. It's not the right one. It doesn't have the boot here, but it's whatever. I didn't have it, so got the mufflers put on. So that seemed to work out good. The regulator kept on blowing the fuse, so at least I think it did. So I just unplugged it. Doesn't charge the battery right now, but I wanted to see if the fuse blows. Otherwise, I'll replace the regulator. I do have another one, but as of right now, it doesn't blow the fuse yet. So pretty sure that that's the issue. Hood latch is really nice on that homemade dash. After I got it put on, I had to cut off side of the dash here a little bit to make it fit. For some reason, the hood is still kind of not laying flat, but it's whatever. The seat, I took an old seat pan, I found some foam, and you can see I just screwed it on there, and it looks somewhat okay. So it's pretty soft, it's pretty comfy. And then yeah, so here are some pictures and some videos of this tractor.